Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I have to admit, I am a little nervous, I am excited. If you follow me on Instagram, you will already know that this happened a couple of weeks ago. And inside of this shopping bag here is the Bottega Veneta Pouch, the large version. Yes, I did that. Isn't it funny though that just a couple of weeks ago in one of my recent videos I said that I'm quite reasonable when it comes to handbags, and then literally the next day this happens. So this is what we're gonna talk about today. I will unbox this baby with you. There's not that much of spectacular packaging though, I have to already disclaim that. And I will structure this video in 3 parts. The first one will be my personal story and the process of how and why I got this bag. Secondly, I will talk about my first impression and the structure and the quality and all the details. And I will also give you an idea how I style this bag with 3 different outfits. So if you are new to this channel, hello, my name is Evelyn. This is The Geek is Chic. If you happen to enjoy what you're watching today, please make sure to subscribe, to hit that notification bell, and always let me know what you think or if you have any new suggestions in the comments down below. This all means the world to me and to this humble little YouTube channel. So let's start with unboxing this baby, right? I mean, you can't really say unboxing here because there's nothing to really unbox because there is no box. So I got this bag at a department store. I do not know how these bags come when you get them at a Bottega Veneta boutique. So I got this shopping bag, which actually is quite nice because they have these little buttons here that automatically close the bag, which is so much nicer than, these little stickers that they usually use at a lot of stores. And then this beauty comes in a beautiful gray, brownish, huge dust bag. Let's open this up. Oh my God. Here we have it. The black Bottega Veneta pouch in smooth leather. Hi! I will start with my personal story, why I got this bag, and also the reason or the explanation why you never even heard me talking about this bag before. So when I saw this bag for the very first time, I was obsessed with it. It was love at first sight, I have to admit that. It is everything that Bottega Veneta, or also the new Bottega Veneta, stands for as a brand, which is understated high-end luxury, especially when it comes to leather goods. So this bag really is a dream. It is super understated, but in the same time, it is very recognizable and very iconic, but not because of a branding or a logo, but because of the distinguished design and the quality that you literally can see. But yet I did not get it at first because if you know me, if you know this channel, I'm all about versatility, about, cost per wear, about items having to be practical. I'm such a German in these things. For me, fashion most of the day is a lot about comfort. So I am such a huge crossbody person. I think it even extends to being lazy, honestly. These were all the reasons why I just didn't see myself with this bag at the end of the day, even though I absolutely loved it. Just to show you a little bit of evidence, on my old phone, this is the screensaver. Speaks for itself, right? But I still never was able to forget this bag and to get it out of my head. So initially I ordered it in the camel tone in the mini version, which actually has a crossbody strap. You will already have seen this on my Instagram account a couple of months ago. And this also was a super cute bag. The leather, the structure, everything is just as beautiful as on the larger version. However, I ended up sending this baby back because it was just too small for my frame. I am 1.74 m. It just seemed too small on my body. So in a nutshell, this bag stayed in the back of my head for all of these last months. And every now and then when I saw it in, department stores or online, I was always like this close to, press the button and get it. I tried it on, I played with it, I flirted with it, but I kind of never pulled the trigger. And also during that time I got myself my Dior saddle bag. The budget for a bag this year, because usually I always live by the rule of only buying 1 bag per year, kind of went to that bag. But little did I know, the other day I walk into my favorite department store in my hometown, I see that they have this black baby on shelf, and I was basically sold within the first minute. I actually convinced them to reserve this for me, and I went back 3 times, and then I went back one more time with my mother, all within the same day, to show it to her, and then I got it. It was the first time that I actually saw this bag in the black plain leather version in real life, and I just felt for it. The moment that I tried it on, it just felt like this is a match in heaven, this is faith, this is meant to be. This already feels like a part of me. I cannot not buy this bag. So that's basically the process of me getting this bag. This is not typical for me whatsoever, but you know, that happens to the best of us. So let's head over to point number 2, the construction and my first impression of this bag. So as you know, the pouch does not have any kinds of straps attached. You either wear it like this, or you can also wear it like that on your hand. So this bag does close magnetically. And the idea behind this whole design is that the handle is basically already constructed into the bag. So the whole closure, this frame here, is very thick, very sturdy, and it actually gives your hand a perfect grip so that you are able to wear it like this. And it really lies very comfortably, you know, within your hands. So this bag is made of calf leather, which is super buttery and soft, but also in the same time more sturdy than your typical lamb leather would be. And it is also double lined fully on the inside as well, which of course is a great sign of high quality and amazing craftsmanship. And the draping around the clasp of the bag runs basically centered from both ways to the middle, which I think is beautiful. It looks spectacular in my opinion, but it also gives the bag, of course, its iconic look. That is that when it comes to the interior. The only thing that is actually branded on this bag is the leather on the inside, which has the Bottega Veneta Made in Italy stamp in the leather itself. And that's it. So yeah, regarding the color, I first assumed that, you know, you have to get this bag in a statement color. You always see it on social media in all these statement colors. But when I actually saw this in black, it convinced me the most, because this way I can indulge in having this cool bag that may not be the most practical when it comes to, you know, my usual habits of how I wear a bag. So it gets me a little bit out of my comfort zone, which sometimes is a good thing. Yet due to the black color, it is still super versatile. It goes with everything, and I don't really have to mind, you know, putting it somewhere or touching it with my hands. Nothing can happen to a black bag, right? Well, almost nothing. My cats could happen to it technically, but I take very good care of my bags. So now that we have covered that, let's dive into 3 outfits. Within this first outfit, I chose a pair of flared dark denim trousers. I also paired it up with my new blazer by Marche Paris and my Fendi booties. So this has kind of a retro feel to it. It could be a little bit more on the 70s side, which I think matches the draping of the clutch very well. And I just love how this bag looks on a nice, you know, slightly boxy blazer. I just love that look. Outfit number 2, I wanted to show you how this bag looks on my, you know, outerwear. So if I would go out and about, so I'm wearing my Weekend Max Mara winter coat, which I will of course link down below as everything that you see here. White pair of denim trousers by Zara, keeping it super monochrome, and then popping on this black bag adds a little bit of contrast into this very light and creamy outfit, which I love to do. And then we have the last and probably more casual outfit. I'm wearing my very loose cut red Valentino pair of trousers, pair of sneakers, and in this case I think that bag actually styles up this whole outfit, makes it look a little bit more chic, a little bit more current, and I love it for that. So I would totally wear this bag to work because it is not branded whatsoever. It is super spacious in the same time, as a little bit of a change from my Celine Cabas tote, which I usually wear on a daily basis. If you want me to do a proper review about this bag after wearing it for a couple of months, regarding the quality, the wear and tear, and the actual, you know, wear that you get out of, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!